Hi friends! Today we're going to learn how to draw a Tyrannosaurus Rex. We'll begin our T-Rex by drawing a large bean-like shape. As always, be sure to draw lightly so you can erase when you need to. Over here, we'll lightly sketch in the shape of the head. As you're working, pay close attention to proportions. Make sure, for example, that the height of the body is 2 times the height of the head. Over here, we'll start on the leg. Notice that the top is much wider than the bottom of that shape. Same goes for this leg. And then here's the shape for the bottom of that leg. And here I'll draw the tail on the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Notice that the part that attaches to the body is much wider than the tip of the tail. And now we'll draw in some simplified shapes for the feet. And now for the tiny Tyrannosaurus Rex arms. And now we'll draw a big, strong neck for the dinosaur. And these little lines are where the eyes will go. And here I'll just darken these lines a tiny bit so they show up better. Once you have all of your simplified shapes in place, you can erase the interior lines that you no longer need. As you're erasing your interior lines, you can also go back over and fine-tune the lines you're keeping. You can also start adding details like these here in the feet. Here I can turn those circular hands into claws. I'll fine-tune this line here a little bit more. Now I'm going to add features of the face. I'll start by drawing the mouth. Here I'm fine-tuning this line to add a shape for the nostrils. Here I'm adding the eyes. I want the dinosaur's eyes to look angry and fierce. Notice that the eyes angle down to create this expression. Be sure to add plenty of sharp Tyrannosaurus Rex teeth. This part is optional. I'm going to add spikes along the back of my dinosaur. This is a line marking the underside of the dinosaur. And I'll add these lines here just to define the claws a bit more. Feel free to add any other details that you like. And now it's time to color. I'm going to color my T-Rex green, but you can color him however you want. Now that you've drawn your T-Rex, decide what to put in your background. Here are a few examples. This one shows a volcano erupting in the background. Perhaps your background could explain what you think caused the extinction of the dinosaurs. This T-Rex is going for the all-you-can-eat burger buffet. Maybe your background could show what you think a T-Rex would do if he turned up in our world today. And this one shows our poor T-Rex as another dinosaur's dinner. What background will you draw? Thanks for drawing with me today. Comment below with what you put in the background of your T-Rex. I'd love to hear about it. Click subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you here next time to have some more fun making art.